Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Prepare a safe homemade fixative to protect graphite, charcoal, and pastel sketches. Gather 1 cup denatured alcohol, 1 teaspoon shellac flakes, 1 atomizer spray bottle, gloves, and mask. Dissolve 1 teaspoon shellac in 1 cup warm denatured alcohol, stirring for 5 minutes until clear. Strain through paper filter. Work in a ventilated area and avoid open flames. Store solution in a labeled glass bottle for up to 6 months. Apply test spray on scrap paper before using on artwork daily. To apply, hold the atomizer 12 inches from the surface and use even, sweeping passes. Apply 2 light coats, waiting 3 minutes between passes to avoid puddling. A heavier coat can darken graphite. Rotate the paper to spray across grain and keep edges masked with scrap paper. For delicate pastel, test with 1 light coat and use a hairdryer on low to accelerate drying. Clean nozzle after each use by spraying alcohol until clear. Store the atomizer in a box to prevent dust, and label with contents and date. For archival protection, apply a 3rd light coat only if previous coats are fully dry, typically after 15 minutes. Avoid using lacquer-based sprays on charcoal to prevent flaking. Shellac-based fixative gives a matte finish and resists smudging by about 75%. Label artworks with date and condition after fixing and store flat under glassine paper. When disposing leftover solution, dilute with water and take to a hazardous waste collection. Do not pour leftover solution down the drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.